Now let's look at this heart shape. It's slightly different from the teardrop shape, but except for shape and area differences, the stitch method is exactly the same. Let's demonstrate. Use color 5, 6 strands. Also divide into top and bottom parts. First bring up at center here. Stitch a long stitch. Also dividing top into 2 parts. First stitch left section. Because previous was long stitch, this will be a short stitch. Alternating long and short. Bring up next to previous stitch. Stitch a long stitch. When stitching, always bring up on outer borderline. This creates the heart shape. If you bring up too far out or in, you won't form the heart shape. After finishing this side, move needle to this side. Stitch this side too. Take down. Using long and short stitch method, complete this side. Take down. Top section is complete. Now stitch bottom section. Can change color for bottom section. Creating color gradient effect. Use color 7, 6 strands. Bring up at centerline stitch point. Take down vertically at heart tip. Once more. Also divide in half. First complete this side. Move needle to top. Bring up. Take down vertically at bottom line. Once more. Then take down vertically. Bring up. Follow these steps to complete remaining pattern. Finish this side. Now stitch this side. Take down. Let's look at the finished result.